I've bought and tested these mini washing machines to save you the headache and money. No more wasting time on subpar laundry solutions. I'm here to give you the lowdown on the top 5 best portable washing machines that can fit in your apartment, dorm, or RV. Let's dive into what makes each one special. Product number 1, underwear washing machine. I recently picked up the upgrade 1.5-liter mini portable washing machine primarily for its promise to deeply clean small clothes like underwear and socks. At just $29.99, it seemed like a steal. Setting it up was a breeze. I simply plugged it in, filled it with water, added detergent, and watched it go. I was pleasantly surprised by how effectively it handled my delicates. The design is compact, which is perfect for my small apartment, and it even has a rechargeable battery, giving me the flexibility to use it anywhere. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the deep cleaning capabilities, impressive. It feels like a mini washing powerhouse. The portability factor is also huge. I can easily take it for camping trips or vacations. However, it does have some drawbacks. For one, its 1.5-liter capacity means it's only suitable for small loads, and it lacks drying capabilities, so you'll need to line dry afterward. Also, it can be a little noisy, which might be a concern if you're in a shared living situation. Product number 2, Minwatch Portable Washing Machine. Priced at $49.88, this little gem caught my eye due to its foldable design and 3 different cleaning modes. Weighing in at just 3.9 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry, making it an ideal companion for road trips and RV travels. When I first tried it, I appreciated the simplicity. Just fill it with water, toss in your clothes, and select your wash mode. I opted for the heavy-duty cleaning mode for my workout clothes, and I was impressed by how well it agitated the fabric without damaging it. The pros of this machine are numerous. The compact, foldable design is genius, especially for someone like me who has limited storage. Plus, it operates quietly at only 45 decibels, which is perfect for late-night laundry sessions. On the flip side, it could struggle with larger loads, and you'll have to keep an eye on it while it fills with water. In conclusion, if you're seeking a lightweight, versatile washing machine that can handle small to medium loads without hassle, the Minwatch is a solid choice. It's user-friendly and efficient, making laundry a less daunting task, especially in tight spaces. Product number 3, YMXA Mini Laundry Machine, which retails at $59.98. This machine has become my go-to for washing baby clothes in delicate fabrics. What I love about it is that it keeps these items separate from my regular laundry, ensuring a hygienic wash. The 16-liter capacity is surprisingly generous. I've managed to fit several baby outfits in one go. The compact design makes it a breeze to store, and I was delighted to find that it not only saves space, but also conserves water and energy with its efficient operation. On the positive side, the quiet operation is a game changer for shared spaces. The vibration reduction feature keeps it stable during use, so I can do laundry while my baby naps without waking them up. However, the machine does have its limitations. It's not equipped for heavy-duty cleaning, so you might need to do multiple loads for larger items. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient mini washing machine that excels in washing delicate items, the YMXA is worth considering. It's perfect for busy parents or anyone who values convenience and hygiene in their laundry routine. Product number 4, Costway Portable Mini Washing Machine. Fourth on our list is the Costway Portable Mini Washing Machine, priced at $66.99. What makes this machine stand out is its dual functionality. It washes and spins. The first time I used it, I was impressed by how user-friendly it was. You simply load your clothes, fill it with water, set the timer, and let it do the work. The clear lid is a nice touch too. It allows you to monitor the washing process without needing to open the lid. In terms of pros, its portability is a major highlight, making it easy to move around, which is perfect for my apartment lifestyle. The spin drying feature is also quite effective, meaning I don't have to wait long for my clothes to dry. On the downside, though, it's essential to stay nearby while it fills with water, as it doesn't have an automatic shutoff for that. Also, the capacity is limited to 5.5 pounds, which might not be suitable for larger loads. If you need a versatile mini washing machine that offers both washing and drying capabilities, the Costway is a fantastic investment. It combines convenience and efficiency, making laundry less of a chore. Product number 5. Zinnoe Upgraded Underwear Washing Machine. Finally, we have the Zinnoe Upgraded Underwear Washing Machine, which is priced at just $18.99. This machine is specifically designed for washing small items like socks and intimate wear. I was drawn to it because of its compact size and high-speed washing capabilities. What I found particularly appealing is the LED touchscreen, which clearly displays the battery level and washing mode. It's incredibly easy to operate, and I could take it anywhere thanks to its waterproof design. The pros include its efficiency. The quick 5-minute wash mode is perfect for when you're in a rush. The deep cleaning feature, combined with the blue light technology, ensures a thorough wash for delicate items. However, it's important to note that this machine doesn't have drying capabilities, so you'll need to air dry your clothes. Additionally, it's not meant for larger garments, which could limit its utility for some users. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable, portable solution for washing small, delicate items, the Zinnoe machine is an excellent choice. It's efficient, easy to use, and perfect for travelers or anyone needing quick cleanups. So there you have it, folks. 5 mini washing machines that cater to different needs and lifestyles. Each has its unique benefits and limitations, so choose based on what fits your lifestyle best. Whether you need something for camping, traveling, or just for tight living spaces, there's a perfect option for you. Happy washing!